Hey guys, it's Heather and Lisa with HealthWorks Ergo. If you're working from home and you don't usually work from home, then you may look a little bit like this right now. But if you have a height adjustable chair and a desk or even a dining room table, we can work with that. First thing you're going to need an external keyboard and mouse. And most people have those things just laying around somewhere. And it may be things that you don't always pull out and use, but you know what? If you have only worked from home every now and then with a laptop, you may have been fine, but your exposure just went way up to that. And so go ahead and get that keyboard and mouse out. All right, so you're going to put those on your desk and then find yourself a stack of books. Old textbooks are great for this, but anything that's going to bring your laptop up to eye level. So just make sure it's right below your eye and use however many books or whatever you found to put that on. And then you're going to raise your chair until your elbow is as level as you can get it with the desk. Now that's going to leave your feet just kind of hanging there, and that's not good either. That's hard on your lower back, right? So find yourself something. You've probably got an Amazon box around there somewhere. Put that under your feet. Now it doesn't need to be very tall, just tall enough to fill that space between the bottom of your foot and the floor. Give yourself some lower body support that way. If the chair that you're using is a little bit too big for you, or you just don't have adjustable back support in the chair that you're in, go ahead and find yourself a cushion. It can be a pillow off of your couch. It doesn't need to be very big, but something to fill that space with. Now, if you don't have a height adjustable chair and a desk, we're going to cover that next in another video, so stay tuned. But if you've at least got those two pieces, then this is how you can get yourself set up pretty well for right now.